Hello guys, by the end of this video, you will be able to create and monetize your TikTok account irrespective of the country and location you come from. The fact is that a lot of TikTokers are making a lot of money using this platform, which is currently one of the highest paying social media platforms, and most of its users make money through creators funds. And these features is not available for everyone. There are just few countries that have access to these features in which Nigeria is not inclusive. I specifically mention Nigeria because that's where I come from. As a matter of fact, I only see this country out of all the countries in the whole world that are eligible for monetization on TikTok. These countries are UK, Germany, US, France, Spain, and Italy. If you are not from either of these countries I just mentioned, I'm sorry, you cannot be monetized, but I brought you a good news. If you have international TikTok accounts that is rooted in any of these eligible countries, you can actually make money. I will be taking you through a step-by-step process on how you can create an international TikTok account by using your smartphone. I will guide you all through this process for free. By the end of this video, I'll give you tips on how you can grow your TikTok account. So for this process, you'll be needing only 3 essential things to achieve this. First thing you need is your Android phone or your iPhone. Either of these is okay. Okay, you need a TikTok app on your phone, because at the end of the day we'll be creating a new TikTok account on your browser. Then the third thing you need is a VPN. That's the third one. Okay, step 1, you go to Apple Store or Google Play Store and download a VPN. I will be exploring 2 different VPN. One is Wisecrybe and the other one is Thunder, so that we can make a choice. And I personally recommend the Thunder VPN because its user interface is pretty easy and does not require so much. Whether you are making use an Android phone or iPhone, you can actually access this app. There's a paid version of it and there's also a free version. It is divided into monthly and yearly subscription. I will make use of the free version in the course of this video. You can make use of the free version and can as well upgrade if you want to explore other features in the paid version. And have downloaded the Wisecrybe. You can go ahead and create an account by filling out the space and follow the prompts on the privacy page. Just click on this green screen. Continue on this page. We have list of country you can confidently use. You can play around with it to see the countries that are available. We will be making use of US, so we click on it and connect. Once you are connected, you get a notification of a key symbol which will appear at the top of your phone. That is all for Wisecrybe. If you are getting a value from what I have been saying, so please kindly give this video a thumb up because it is really helps the channel. Now let's check out the other VPN, which is Thunder. Like I said, this particular app is very easy to use. Once you are on this app, you will be given an option to upgrade to VIP. If you don't want this option, you can go ahead and ignore it. Then make use of the free version. You need to connect to the server. It will connect automatically, unlike the Wisecrybe VPN. Thunder VPN does not require any high details or information like emails or username. We are going to open a TikTok account, so I'm going to type tiktok.com on my browser. You would fill out your information and then download the app. If you haven't already, you can download the TikTok app from Apple Store for iPhone or Google App Store for Android users. Once the app is downloaded, you can go ahead and open it on your mobile device. Next is to sign up for a new account. You can choose one of the following options: either to sign up with your phone and enter your phone number and follow the prompt to verify your number by SMS. You can as well sign up with email address. Enter your email address and follow the prompt to create an account. You can also sign up with your Facebook, Google, or Apple account. The next step is to create a username and password. Now, having verified your phone number or your email address, you'll be prompted to create a username and password for your TikTok account. Choose a username that is unique and reflects your interests. Once your account is set up, you can add a profile photo, edit your video, and customize your profile setting according to your preference. Now that your account is created, you can now start exploring TikTok. There are some things you must know while using this TikTok to avoid demonetization or account disactivation or even getting banned. Firstly, you must not post a copyrighted content or reuse content. Secondly, you must not switch to a business account. If you are making use of a business account, just be rest assured that you will not be paid, because business accounts are not eligible to earn money on TikTok. Again, make sure you are original and authentic and unique. Now, if you want to see how to earn money, you click on this icon above your account. Above your account, then you can see the creators tools. Once you click on that, you will see monetization. There you have creator market space, subscription, creativity program, better work with artists, access to promote videos, comment. You also have access to receive money for videos you put out there. You can upload videos that are longer than 1 minute to earn more, and the rewards are so numerous to mention now. For your eligible monetization, your TikTok account must have at least 10,000 organic followers and 100,000 video views in the last 30 days, and you must be at least 18 years old. Now, I want to give you a few tips on how you can grow your TikTok account. First, you have to identify your audience. Yes, you have to identify your audience. Secondly, you create a unique content. Thirdly, post regularly, and finally, engage with your audience in order to draw more traffic to your TikTok account. So I believe that you have gotten a value from this information that I've put out here. If you have any question, drop it in the comment section. Please kindly give this video a thumbs up because it really helps this channel. And before you go, make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel because it will make this video to grow viral and reach to those people that are seeking for help on how to monetize their TikTok channel. Thank you for watching this video. See you later. Peace.